Group 1 lists a set of 4 transfer functions and Group 2 lists possible step responses. Match the step responses with corresponding transfer functions. In Group 1 we have given 4 transfer functions, and in Group 2 we have 4 diagrams representing the step responses, and we have to match accordingly. Now, taking the first transfer function, P is equals to 25 divided by a square plus 25. By comparing it with the standard form of a second order transfer function, which is in the form omega n square divided by a square plus 2 zeta omega n plus omega n. Where zeta is damping factor and omega n is the natural frequency. We can see that these 4 graphs differ in the damping nature. So, if we determine the damping factor of each of these transfer functions, we will be able to match correspondingly. For this function, we can see that there is no s term in the denominator. So, zeta will be 0 for P, which implies that when zeta is 0, the step response will be undamped. Undamped output of these 4 options will be option 3. So we can match P with 3. Next, let us take the transfer function Q. We got Q is equals to 36 divided by a square plus 20s plus 36. Now comparing with the standard function, what we get is omega n is 6 and 2 zeta omega n is 20. That is, we can write zeta is equals to 20 divided by 2 into 6, which will be greater than 1. 20 divided by 12 is greater than 1, which implies that the output will be overdamped. From the given options, the overdamped response will be option 4. Option 1 will be critically damped, whereas option 4 will be overdamped. So, we can match Q with 4. Now, take the next transfer function R. (36) divided by x square plus 12s plus 36. We can see omega n is 6 and 2 zeta omega n is 12. So zeta will be 12 divided by 2 into 6, that is equals to 1. When zeta is equals to 1, it represents a critically damped function. From the given list, the first graph represents a critically damped response, so we can match R with 1. The next transfer function is S, that is 49 divided by s square plus 7s plus 49. Here omega n is 7 and 2 zeta omega n is 7. From this we can infer zeta is 1 by 5. That is, zeta is between 0 and 1, which implies that the step response will be underdamped function. In the given graphs, option, that is graph 2, represents an underdamped response. So S matches to 2. From the given options, the right answer will be option D, that is P3, Q4, R1 and S2.